The next step is assembling the arms. What I'm going to do is attach the upper arms to the lower arms with the cord. Take a piece of cord that's approximately 6 inches long. Cut another piece of cord that's the same length, 6 inches long. Take a piece of duct tape. Attach the cord on each side of the 1x2 and wrap it like so. Do the exact same procedure to attach to the lower portion of the arm, with a tiny space in between so the elbow can bend. These arms, but I think it's appropriate that a corpse is kind of floppy. There's your elbow. Do the same procedure for the other arm and the knees.